Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and today we are going to be unboxing the June Precuts quilt box, and this is their classic box. They also have a stash builder, which is pretty much all fabric, which is awesome. And then they also, I think, have one other one, maybe table runners, I can't remember now. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside. If you're unfamiliar with the Precuts quilt box, I will put a link in the description box below here where you can get more information on how to get these boxes, how much they are, and what different options they have available. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside the June box for 2019. All right, so each box has one of these little handouts in them. It has information on all of the products that are involved. It also has some extra coupons on here, free shipping, things like that. And then there's also information on the back on the designer as well. And it looks like this month's box was designed by Betsy Cyber, and you can read more about her on their little insert as well. The other thing that they always do is if you share your box, make sure to share it with the hashtag Precuts Quilt Shop, Precuts Quilt Shop and Precuts Quilt Box, and they will pick one winner each month for the boxes, and so you can win a free box just by sharing on your social media. So that's always really fun as well. All right, so the first product in our box is this cup. And this is the Chirp Metal Pencil Holder by Now Designs. And this retails for $6 each, and it is a metal cup. It's about 4 inches tall by 3.5 inches in diameter. And then it has these cute little designs around the outside. And like I said, it's metal. You can use it for holding all of your pencils. You can also use it for storing other of your fabric goodies as well. I like to keep my friction erasable pins and just taller tools that I have in things like this. So this is kind of fun. And I've actually been needing something like this to put my, I have a couple different rotary cutters now, and I've been needing something to stick those in, so this might work out for those. All right, the next thing in our box is this Aurifil Mako cotton thread. This is 50 weight thread, and this is one of their smaller spools, and these retail for $5.60, and you could have gotten one of two colors in here. They have a gray one and kind of more of an aqua teal looking one, and I think I got the gray one here, and it is a variegated, it looks like to me. It says long staple mercerized Egyptian cotton for machine embroidery, quilting, serging. And I actually use these small spools for my binding because I'm usually looking for a specific color for those. I tend to quilt in all white, piece and quilt in all white. And then I use these kind of variegated fun threads for my binding, but you can also use them for quilting as well. Okay, the next thing that I have in here are these So Tasty washable, twistable marking pencils. They have a blue and white one. Obviously the white is for darker fabrics, and then the blue would be for lighter fabrics. And they just have a twist top barrel, which makes it really easy to get your pencil lead out. You don't have to sharpen it or anything like that. You can retract it after using it so you don't break it. And these retail for $2.50 each. And so you'll just twist this lead out, as you can see. I don't want to break it, and then twist it back up. So super easy to use and great for marking. And again, they just wash out. So when you're done, you wash your quilt and your lines will disappear. All right, the next thing in our package is this Olfa Splash 45 millimeter rotary cutter. And this one is in the purple colorway. And these are my all-time favorite rotary trimmers. I have, I think every color that they have now. Oh no, I don't have a yellow one. I have the blue, the pink, and the purple now. And so these are super cute. They retail for $18.99. So here's what it looks like out of the package, and as you can see, that yellow protects the blade so you won't cut yourself, and then you just pull it down. It exposes the blade so you can cut your fabric. When you're done, you just slide it back up, and I usually do that. I'll have to do it this way for you, but I usually just do that with my thumb like this, and I just always get in the habit of pulling it down and then immediately putting it back up as soon as I'm done using it, and that way I don't have an open blade sitting anywhere on my cutting table for me or the kids to get cut with, because these blades are super sharp. But yeah, anyways, that's what they look like. That's how to use them. They do have a little bit of a grip right here on this edge so that your fingers, I don't feel like my fingers are sliding or anything. I feel like they're nice and sturdy when I'm going to cut. So another thing I really love about these, I don't feel like the blade is very wobbly. I've tried some other brands and I feel like when I'm cutting, the blade almost wobbles, and yes, I have tried to kind of tighten it and things like that. I don't ever feel like that happens with these, and so these are definitely my top picks for rotary cutters. So I'm always excited to see these in my boxes. All right, the next thing in our box here is this Wishing Whales quilt pattern by Gingerbread, I think is how you say it. And this is PDF pattern also is available. And we are going to be using some fabric that goes right along with this. I'll show you in a second. The finished size of this quilt is 41 by 50. And so yeah, that's what it looks like. And I did look inside here really quickly. The quilting or piecing portion of this is super easy. The wales are applique wales. So they do have a little template down here on the bottom, and it says to enlarge it by 450%. So you may have to take this to a quilt shop. That's probably my only complaint about this pattern. Usually when you have an applique piece, the pattern is included in here, even if it's folded up and you kind of have to unfold it or whatever. The template is usually included. So having to take this to a print shop and enlarge it is kind of a hassle. But you know, I guess if you're really into wales, it might not be too big of a deal for you. And they do look, like I said, it does look like they're actually pretty good size. So taking it to a print shop might be the way to go anyways, just so you have that larger paper. So, and I can't remember if I told you, but this pattern is retailing for $9. So either way, I think it's really cute. Let's go ahead and take a look at the fabric that comes with it. So here's the fabric that came in this month's box. This is an Acadia Fat Quarter Bundle by Betsy Cyber, and it's based on Acadia National Park in Maine, and it's full of nautical creatures and fun graphics. And this is retailing for $36, and I'll go ahead and go through all of the fat quarters so you can kind of see. These ones look like they're little hermit crabs. There's a red star, some blue sharks. Sorry, I think I was holding the sharks upside down there. There's this fun blue nautical, looks like waves maybe. Cute lobsters, some nice navy stars, very patriotic. Super, super cute sea otters. These guys are adorable. These, I don't know, maybe, these look like blueberries to me, but maybe they're like lily pads or something. A fun navy whale print. And then the last one look like these little puffins. So here they all are again, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them in there. And then of course here's kind of how it goes with the pattern, so you can kind of see what will be used where. Alright guys, so that's everything that came in the June Precuts Classic Quilt Box. I added it all up for you, and the total value is $86.09, so that's a great value for the box. They always put really cool notions in and fun fabric. My favorites for this month's box are definitely, so if I can hold it all up here for you, definitely the fabric. Of course, the Olfa cutter, these are my favorite, and then this is a really pretty neutral shade of thread, and so I definitely will be able to find some easy use for this. I love getting different colors threads, especially these little mini spools. I put them up on my wall over here, and then I always have fun colors to choose from when I'm binding my projects, or if you want to do some fun quilting on the outside. So that's everything that came in this month's box. Thanks so much for watching this video with me today. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making fun videos like this for you. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.